Hi everybody, welcome to Vlogmas number 6. And it is December 6th. You know what that means? It's my birthday. Yep, I am 46 years old today. Although my niece sent me a text. She goes, she sends me a text. She goes, "Happy birthday, Aunt Mel. Have an amazing 29th. And I said, "I always do." So, anyway, just a little funny. If you hear the dog barking, we let my dog out to go potty, and she has decided to let whoever or whichever other dog, neighborhood dog she's seeing from the backyard know that it is her yard, to stay away from her yard and be out of sight range. So that's what the barking is about. She hasn't gone potty yet, otherwise she'd be barking at the door, and she's not doing that. Anyway, so today I do not have any updates for you as far as the blanket goes. I have not worked on it yet today. I got up earlier than I wanted to, took my husband to work, and then came home. I don't even know what I did. I think I ate some breakfast, watched a little YouTube, maybe watched a show. I don't even remember at this point. Decided I was going back to bed, laid in bed for about an hour and a half, couldn't go to sleep. Then I got up. I needed to do some work with my regular job, my 9 to 5 job. I needed to do a little bit of work for that, so I did that. And now I'm making sure I get a vlog in before the end of the day. Now tonight I'm probably going to record a little bit for tomorrow's vlog, but I did want to make sure I got something out before I went to my mom, so you guys were not neglected. So I haven't edited any videos as I originally planned to do. I will do that when I get home, to make sure I have at least something for Tuesday scheduled, and then you know, and I have not added any rows to my blankets, so I'm not going to show those to you today, just because I haven't added any rows. So, yeah, I'm a slacker. I really wish I would have actually been able to take a nap that hour that I laid down, because I didn't. But that's okay. It's my birthday. I'm getting a birthday dinner tonight. It's going to be steak. I love me some steak. I am a red meat girl. Just saying. Love my red meat. Anyway, you know, one thing I didn't share that I got at the Dollar Tree yesterday, I was so excited to find this, but if anybody reads fantasy, you might recognize the author's name. It's a very thin book, but it's by Tad Williams. I did not even read what this is about. There's lots of things saying, "Hey, he's awesome" on the back, but it's The Heart of What Was Lost, a novel of Austen Ard. So I really didn't read what it was about, but I read a book. It was a monolith of a book by Tad Williams. Oh, and he is so detail oriented. He's actually the author that I realized, when it comes to authors who are over detailed, and there's a lot of them out there, like really detailed. I have a hard time reading those that are very detailed with the scene. I have a very hard time reading those. So that would include something like Stephen King, Tolkien. I couldn't think of that name for a minute. Tolkien and stuff like that. But those who are very detailed with the characters, I still love to read those. I devour that. I am, and I will say, what makes a good story, a good book, a good show, it is the relationships and the chemistry between the characters. So that is important to me. And Tad Williams, his character development, I can't even remember. I think it's the Green Tower series is what I read. It was a while ago. But it was really, really good. I would actually love to see that come to life on either the little screen or the big screen. I don't think it's had the notoriety that, say, like Robert Jordan or George R.R. Martin, their stuff has gotten, but he's still excellent. He does excellent work. So anyway, I found this and I didn't read anything about it, but I was like, you know what? A book by this person for $1, I'm gonna pick it up, and then I'll worry about whether or not I'll like it after that. But my daughter's gonna read it. She likes the same kind of reading stuff that I do. So I did find that. I'm over 5 minutes now, but I did find that. So that was kind of cool. That was a nice little pickup there. And oh, and now I showed them in the camera, but I just wanted to show you. This is so I told you yesterday that I was going to do a project that I saw on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. So this is the tea towels that I picked up. So I'm going to take these and make them for my sister. And then, so what you do is you cut these in half, and then you crochet on top of it a little topper, and then it folds over, and you add a button, and then you can put it on like a handle somewhere, wherever the best works for you. But so you can get 2 out of 1 towel. So I'm gonna make for my sister a little gift that costs only $2, $2 flipping dollars, because I know that making the topper for this is not going to take all of this. I can probably get at least 2 out of this, maybe with a little scrap, but yeah. So again, I'll link Pamela's page up above, but I'm really excited to do that. If I don't get this done this week, I'm thinking I'm going to be able to get it done this week, but if I don't, I will definitely get it done next week. Well, I'd be running out of time, so I think I'm going to have to get it done. Well, actually, I still have another full week after next week, because I'm celebrating with my family on after Christmas. So on Christmas Day, we're gonna go to my husband's family, and I will kind of take you along on that trip. I won't get to put them on camera. I don't think that they'll want to be on camera, but I'll take you on the trip and stuff. It's about a 3-hour trip, so it's just a day trip. With our dogs and everything, we prefer not to leave them alone. So, or hire somebody to come here and take care of them. We'd rather make a day trip and then come back. So that is my plans for tomorrow, for this weekend, as we roll into other Vlogmases and everything. So again, I seen where I've got a lot of happy birthday comments that came in because Kate, awesome Kate, I'm gonna link her channel up above too, so make sure you follow her. One of my besties, Kate, she made sure to remind everybody, come over to my place and wish me happy birthday. And I've had so many people come in and put comments on my videos and telling me happy birthday. So I thank you all so much. You all are so amazing. This is like a wonderful community, and I can't thank you enough. And I hope to see you tomorrow with a little bit of my birthday fun and dinner. You'll get to see my mom makes an amazing steak. If you're a steak lover, you'll be jealous. So anyway, thank you again. You guys have an amazing evening and an amazing week as the work week starts, and bye-bye.